Hey guys, today we'll be testing out if what happens if we turn off both engines mid-flight. Okay, so right now we're in the air and it's pretty hard to control. We're gonna turn off both engines and yeah, okay, let's start banking. Oh shit, it's taking. The plane's harder to control now. You gotta start leveling. Yeah. So I believe the plane is. We are not doing too good. We are not able to. I am trying to give flaps. Flaps. We are not leveling. It won't let me climb anymore now. So yeah, and I think, yep, we're descending, and I can't stop it. Yep, and that's it. Well, okay. So we just lose control of the plane. So, and yeah, and the plane just, yeah. Okay, so yeah. Like this sort and comment if you want me to make more videos like this. Is my first video about planes, so this is my first video about testing out. Like and share and comment for on this short for more so I could do more tests on X-Plane Flight Simulator. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. I mean, short. Yeah, I'm sorry, I haven't uploaded in a long time. On shorts. So yeah, this is just an update that I'm fine.